more. Good, good. Weekend was actually good. How was yours? I'm doing pretty good. Just my last son uh, just started school today, so I'm a little bit late because of that. Um, but it's great. Yeah, yeah, man. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, you know. How was your weekend, guys? Did you guys check out the watch list? It was something that gets you interested. Was there something that you like on the watch list? We're gonna be checking out those names that I posted there. About to open, market about to open. All right, check out SPCE. Check out SPCE. Please let me know if the audio is good. I don't have the headphones on. I don't know how the audio sounds like. Please let me know if the audio is good. Thank you. Okay. We have a high on that 5-minute candle, 3308. 3308. Right here. Gonna put a trend line here. Look at that pullback. Five-minute candle, 3308. Apple falling in the pre-market hours today. Well, I wouldn't say falling. Yeah, well, actually it did a lot. Now ramping up a little bit. Watching DAO for follow-through move, and PAVM. I didn't post that one. I didn't send it out on the watch list, but I'm watching that one as well. PAVM for a reversal trade. PAVM for a reversal trade. Watching the support around the 50 simple moving average on the 531.29. 31.29. See if we can break under that. Yeah, breaking under now. See if we can get a micro bounce. Possible entry on SPCE. I'm not gonna send the order here. Need a micro bounce on the 1 minute. And a micro bounce on the 1 minute time frame on SPCE. Okay, this goes a little micro bounce. Gotta break on the 3061. 3061. Follow through move. See if we can get a little reversal here. Topping candle on the 5. Spread is a little bigger than what I would like to be honest too. I don't appreciate that. CGC, on the other hand, is looking a lot better than taking a short on SPCE, because I don't appreciate the spread on SPCE right now. PAVM, I'm looking for a reversal on the daily on this one. CYH, AGS, some names that I'm watching based on the watch list that I sent out yesterday. Tesla making new highs here, breaking, tapping the prior high in the 5-minute time frame on the pre-market hours, 9:59. 9:59. We had a 9:58 roll over. Watching resistance on the 1 minute. Shooting star formation, the 1. Possible reversal on SPCE. Coming down hard. Low 3061. Gotta watch that 3061. TALO. Based on the daily. Expecting a little consolidation in between, but it has a nice range on the daily. So I'm going to be paying attention to that. 3066. 3066, the prior low on that 1 minute. Prior low on the 1 minute SPCE. 3060. Actually 3061. My apologies. 3061. A little flag here, holding tight. If we can break, there you go. Going towards the 50 simple moving average on the 15-minute time frame. Got it. Sometimes that's what we have to do, man. 3061 break. running towards the 50 simple moving average on the 15-minute time frame. SPCE. Spread is not too great. Got some bounce here on the 1. See if we can hold it high at that 1 minute candle. Actually just broke. I am not expecting a reversal here, but some follow through. 30.23 now, low. 30,023 cents. We got the 50 sitting at 29.58. Gonna put a trend line. 29.58. Still waiting for my other computer to come in. I hope they finish fixing it, and I can get it this week, because at this point I'm very annoyed. Expecting follow through move 29.58. Expecting a follow through 29.58. You can see that trend line there. Why don't we have? Oh, it's right here. Look, it's right here. 29.58. Watching 50 simple moving average on the 5. Too choppy, this thing. I don't like it too much. SPCE is being really choppy right out of the gate. The market isn't so great today. PAVM, let's see here. No, not the greatest thing. Yeah, I don't like this SPCE too much though. Yeah, not following through exactly how I thought. First range, I'm really thinking we can test 29.58 today. But the opening range here has been pretty strong. MITO, let's see, MITO might give us a little bit of a, oh yeah, that was a clear entry there. But not much volume though. Not much volume. PAVM, it's a decent range on the daily. But I'm not going to take a long trade here, because I think when it rolls over, it's going to be a lot better opportunity as a short. PAVM. Dude, like, this is killing me right now. Space, too choppy. Too choppy. Virgin, Galactic, stock, SPCE. Pretty choppy this morning. And I am about to take a hit. Yeah. Starting the week like with this whipsaw, it's not a good thing. But in reality, you know, this big whipsaw here. Making new highs, coming right back up. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the. Just gonna get out. Waiting for that 1 minute candle to close. See what we're gonna close. Cause I don't like this range here. And we still have about 3 more minutes and a half for that 5 minute candle to close. Keep an eye on PAVM though. A pretty interesting range here. Getting a lot of volume. PAVM. $32.94. $32.94. Yeah, that's it for me. I'm done here. Let's see. Come on now. Got a hanging man on the 1 minute. Giving us a little bit of reversal. 33.08 was probably high. But he broke right through. Tapping close to 33.50. I don't feel too comfortable about this one. PAVM. I don't want to take a long trade on that one. PAVM. No long trade for me. I was watching it for a possible leg up here towards the $3 mark, but I don't like it too much. Okay, I'm gonna take a half out of Virgin Galactic here, bouncing off the 100 on the 1. Mitigate. Mitigate the risk. Today, honestly, I'm taking a huge hit. Huge compared to, yeah, huge. I'm over $1,000 on the red now. Watching this trend now, we got a hanging man on the 1 minute. Found a little bit of support on the 100, on the 1. I'm in just with half size. Took a hit on the half, first half, because I got in on the first 1 minute bounce, on the micro bounce on the first 1 minute candle. I mean, based on the first micro bounce on the 1 minute time frame. It was that third candle that was actually printed this morning. The support is holding on the 100. It has to come under that. Okay, we tapping the 100 again. I really don't want to add. I don't want to add. Support is holding on the 100. Would most definitely like to see it get under the view app. Tapping the 100. Come on now. Support is holding. This candle probably gets under the 100 here. I think there was some people taking props around that candle. We have a decent range on the 5. There you go. Tapping the 100 again. Expecting it to get under. But he's holding really, really tight. GMPS is on $5. INO pulling back 426. Yeah, I was watching GMPX there. GMPX is on 518. 518 on GMPX. Oh yes, please, 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 let it come down. Come down, see if I can get at least break even on the last half that I have. Still gonna be a red trade here. PAVM still ramping up. Again, I sent. I don't know if I sent this one out on the watch list yesterday on the email. I think I didn't. I didn't want to take a long trade on this one, so I'm waiting for a rollover trade. So I think it's gonna give me a better opportunity there. PAVM. Okay, we're gonna follow through here under the 100, under the view app. I mean under the 50. Probably go down 29.58. Just holding half. I took a hit here on SPCE on the first half. When it went to the high at 33 or 33.50. Running towards 33.50. Took a hit on the first half. I'm watching this trend here. I'm believing that the trend is not going to hold on the 50 simple moving average. GMPX have its own reversal. Oh, wait, I got one that I added on CYH based on the watch list that I sent out yesterday. CYH looking pretty decent for that short. So I was actually expecting that pullback yesterday. You can go back and watch the email that I sent out. Look at that pullback here on CYH. Not the greatest amount of volume, but it's actually moving in the direction that I want. And I'm really thinking if we can increase the amount of volume, we'll see it run very well. Massive resistance. You see prior resistance about $4.60 some cents on CYH. SPCE is holding. SPCE is holding. That resistance is being a little bit strong. I mean the support. Around the 100. Want to see it under the 50 though. Well, we tested. We got under the 50 already, but it rejected. So I want to see a candle print under the 50. 465 CYH right now. 465. Want to see it get a little bit more volume though. I like it. I like that one. I picked up this chart. I put on the daily. So I like that resistance that he has on the daily. INO is pulling back too. We have pretty decent trend for that resistance there. Pretty decent resistance right there on SPCE. And I'm even thinking of adding under the 50, but I really don't want to do that. There you go. Coming down. Prior low 3180. Prior low 3180. It's holding really, really hard. It's holding too tight. Holding around that VWAP. There you go. Hovering around the 50 on the 5. Hovering around the 50 on the 5. Come on now. Expecting the 50 to be resistance now. It was prior support. Expecting it to be resistance. This is gonna be a red trade regardless of what I do, unless I let it go down to 29.58. So I took the first half out with a red trade, topping candle on the 1, shooting star formation. Shooting star. We have an inverted hammer on the 1, printing another one now. Looks like it's really not gonna hold. Come down. Gravestone doji on the 1 now. Another 5 seconds to go here. Looking for a test of 21.58. $29.58. Prior support being resistance now, the 50 simple moving average on the 1 minute time frame. GMPS I'm not too fond of it. I think GMPS is actually going to roll over. PABM keeps on making new highs though. Running towards the $3 now. There you go. TALO, 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 pulling back very, very fast. TALO, TALO, trading on a range based on the daily formation. I sent that one out last night. On the swing trade watch list. TALO. You know what? I really rather take the remainder of SPCE out of here and not deal with this no more, because it you know, it's I'm a little bit annoyed, and it's not a good thing to stay in. And I'm actually thinking like this. I'm gonna get out of SPCE, just take the hit. It's gonna be a smaller hit compared to the first half. And then I'm gonna go to the stock PAVM. Watch it for a rollover trade. so I'm getting out of SPCE. I'm gonna get out of SPCE. Okay, so I'm all out of SPCE here. 32.16. Took a hit. It's part of the business. Watching a possible rollover trend on PAVM. FNCO. FNCO watch. Watching PAVM, possible rollover trade. GMPX is a huge reversal. Didn't really think that this one will get close to the $6.67 that we were talking about the other day. I had a couple of people had opinions on this one, thinking that we will be going higher and higher in GMPX. I didn't really think so. Well, decent range on the daily, but he failed the first time, the first portion, the first day. I didn't really expect it to go higher. So took a hit today, this morning. First half an hour today. Red trade on SPCE. All out right now. I'm gonna watch INO. INO Powell. Possible entry on INO. 421. Flag on the 5-minute time frame. INO. Flag on the 5. 421. Flag on the 5. If we can get under 418, 100 simple moving average on the 15 minutes. Flag on the 5 here. Consolidation. Possible follow through on the 421. 418, 100 simple moving average. 100 simple moving average on the 15. Possible test of 390s and $3.90. No revenge trading here. I'm not gonna go through that. DALO going towards 18. DALO. Based on the daily formation, we picked this one up. Sent it out yesterday. Trading inside of that little range on the daily. You can go back and watch that. A watch list that was sent out last night. INO under 418, 421 prior low. Possible 390 test. 390 test. $420, 421 was prior low. $420. $420. $418, 100 simple moving average on the 15. Possible test of $3.90. Watching INO. Thank you to all of the people that have liked the stream. Wow, look at SPCE right now towards the $34 mark. I made the right decision getting out. It took a decent amount of support on top of the 50 simple moving average. Took a hit on that stock this morning. Quick reminder for those of you that haven't gotten the swing trade day trade watch list. Free swing trade day trade watch list. Just create your free account over traderscolony.com. God, this is being a little slow this morning. Where's the spider? Where's the spider? Oh my God. Look at that whipsaw. Yeah, it's yeah. Most definitely. Wow, SPCE is just ramping up though. Just look at that. Pretty decent support. don't know if you guys checked out the news. Trump administration is going to allow, at least they trying, a family and $200,000 income, annual income, to invest $10,000 in the stock market, tax free. Meaning, well, but you don't have to make exactly that amount of money to be able to invest that. What they're trying to do is like a portion of your income, you're gonna be able to use it tax free if you invest money and you can show that you're actually investing money in the stock market. That, if it gets to pass, although with Congress, being that the in the opposite party, I don't know if that's gonna happen, but if it does, especially he's trying to do all this type of stuff prior to the elections, so they're trying to kind of like, say to people, hey, we're for growth and for investments and low tax versus what the other party's trying to do. That's pretty much the intention here. But if it get to pass, that will bring a lot of people over to the market, and that will make the stock prices actually rise, which is good for people that actually trade and that actually know how to do it. That will actually be a good opportunity for a lot of people. SPCE, you know what, the market is not too great today. So I think it will be a good idea if I just take a step back and don't trade no more. I already took a hit this morning. Guys, I'm gonna take a step back here. I'm not feeling the market today. Honestly, I'm a little bit frustrated as of right now, and I'm just gonna take a break. So I have to walk away from the computer. So I'm gonna take a step back here. I'm gonna be checking out the market in the next couple of minutes, maybe in the next half an hour, but I'm not gonna leave the stream just hanging out without me here, because that wouldn't be cool. So I'm gonna take a step back here. I'll see you guys in a little while. I'm probably not gonna take any more trades today here. Well, CGC is looking pretty good for those of you who are interested in a short. Take a look at it, and probably can get something out of that. Looks good to me though, but I'm not gonna be taking any more trades. So see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and happy trading to you all.